Hello and welcome. This is Akanksha and you're watching HW News English. In a heated moment in the Rajya Sabha on Monday, actor-politician Jaya Bachchan firmly objected to Deputy Chairman Harivansh Narayan Singh addressing her as Srimati Jaya Amitabh Bachchan. She expressed strong displeasure at the Deputy Chairman using her husband Amitabh Bachchan's name as her middle name. She said in the House that her identity stands independently of her husband's name. The incident occurred during the ongoing budget session and has since drawn a significant attention and sparked a broader conversation about the women's identity. Have a look at the whole video to understand what happened.
धन्यवाद. श्रीमती जया अमिताभ बच्चन जी, प्लीज.
सर सिर्फ जया बच्चन बोलते तो काफी हो जाता.
यहाँ पूरा नाम लिखा था इसलिए मैंने रिपीट किया.
ये जो है कुछ नया तरीका निकला है कि महिलाएं जो है अपने पति के नाम से जानी जाएंगी. उनका कोई अस्तित्व नहीं है.
चूंकि यहाँ नाम दर्ज है.
नहीं सर,
इसलिए मैंने कहा
उनकी कोई उपलब्धि नहीं है अपने में और अस्तित्व नहीं
आपकी बड़ी विशिष्ट
तो
उपलब्धि
ये जो
है
नया शुरू हुआ है, आई जस्ट.
During the session, Harivansh Narayan Singh addressed Jaya Bachchan as Srimati Jaya Amitabh Bachchan ji. Jaya Bachchan, a Samajwadi Party MP, promptly responded, "Calling me Jaya Bachchan would be enough, sir." When Singh pointed out that her name was officially registered as such, Jaya Bachchan critiqued that practice of women being known by their husbands' names. She also said some new method has emerged that women have to be known by their husband's name. Women have no identity of themselves. They have no achievements, no identity of their own. This is a new thing, she said further. Notably, when we check the official affidavits of the candidates in the Rajya Sabha, her nomination papers were filed under the name Jaya Amitabh Bachchan. But when she was called by the same name, she reminded the speaker of her own identity. This incident captured on the video quickly went viral on the social media, prompting mixed reactions. While some netizens supported Jaya Bachchan's stance, others noted that her name is officially listed as Jaya Amitabh Bachchan in the parliamentary records. One netizen also commented that people today are so selective. Had there been any other woman in her place, comments would have been supported her. She is not wrong though. Before she became Bachchan, she was a successful actress herself. Indeed, how far we have come. People also commented saying that Jaya Bachchan has always been vocal about issues concerning women's identity and also has emphasized that she, like any other woman, has an identity beyond her surname. Well, this is not the first time Jaya Bachchan has lost her cool. On July 22nd, she had a similar outburst directed at Rajya Sabha Chairman Jagdeep Dhankar. She expressed confusion and disappointment at the allegedly partial behavior of Dhankar towards Bharatiya Janata Party MPs. Her comments caused a commotion in the upper house, with Jaya Bachchan questioning why Dhankar was censoring the MPs from the ruling party in the same manner as those of the opposition party. Have a look at this video.
Sir, I'm really surprised, again confused, that instead of the minister, other members are standing and questioning me. I mean, sir, आप यहाँ बैठे हुए हैं, आप उनको टोकते नहीं. हमारे यहाँ से कोई खड़ा हो जाए तो आप बिल्कुल टोक देंगे. Sir, no, this is not fair. I don't expect this from you, sir.
एक सेकंड. I think I am fair to every member. Those who got up there got my taste. I would urge everyone. But when I do this time, it is more noticed. This side is not noticed. Yes, ma'am, you're supplementary.
It is not noticeable, sir.
You're supplementary.
You correct us more, so it is noticeable. You don't correct them, so it's not noticeable. Simple as that.
Oh my God.
The exchange caused a brief uproar in the House, with Dhankar attempting to calm the situation and move on to Jaya Bachchan's supplementary question. Jaya Bachchan has been a Rajya Sabha MP from the Samajwadi Party representing Uttar Pradesh since 2004. She is currently serving her 5th term in the House. Well, this incident has once again brought the issue of women's identity and their recognition in the public and professional spheres to the forefront. Do let us know what are your thoughts in the comments. Until then, keep watching HW News English and also download our app HW News Shorts for the latest news and updates.
Stay ahead with our cutting edge news app. Instantly access the latest shorts in just 1 minute and breaking news in just 50 words. Download now for a smarter, faster news experience.